Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to second generation of GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Now the engine air filter is located right here under the airbox cover. Now to remove the cover, first you will have a couple of screws to remove. You'll have a Phillips screw here, one here, and one should be down here, so on each corner of the box. So start by removing those. Okay, so I unscrewed all of these guys. Now actually don't even have to remove them all the way out, just loosen them up enough that they're not holding anymore to the bottom base, right? And now you can just leave this cover up and get full access to the filter. Now if for some reason you still cannot lift this cover enough to pull out the filter, in that case you can just loosen up this screw right here and then completely remove the air filter cover. You can even disconnect the MAF sensor if you have to, but most likely you'll be able to do it just by lifting it up, and now you can pull the filter out. I'm trying to work with one hand and you can see how this filter looks on this vehicle. It's quite nasty actually. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.